Have you ever wondered how to make money on Instagram? Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, a strategy that turns your Instagram account into a revenue-generating tool. Picture this. You recommend a product you love on your Instagram, and when your followers buy it, you earn a commission. That's the essence of affiliate marketing. It's simple, it's effective, and it's a method thousands are using to earn money. Stay tuned to learn how you can turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. Let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Imagine you're a bridge. On one side, there's a company with a product or service to sell. On the other, there's a sea of potential customers. You, as the bridge, connect the two sides. And every time a customer crosses over, you earn a little something for your trouble. That, in a nutshell, is affiliate marketing. Let's unpack that a bit. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service offered by a company. It could be anything, from a new fashion line to a digital course on photography. The company gives you a unique affiliate link that tracks any sales made through your efforts. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gets increased sales and visibility, and you get a cut of the profits without having to create a product yourself or manage an inventory. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, the main challenge lies in finding an audience that's interested in the product or service you're promoting and convincing them to make a purchase. That's where your marketing and influencing skills come into play. But don't worry if you're not a marketing whiz or if you don't have millions of followers. Affiliate marketing is all about building trust and providing value to your audience. It's about finding products or services that genuinely resonate with your audience and presenting them in a way that feels authentic and helpful, not salesy. You can do this whether you're an Instagram lifestyle influencer with thousands of followers or a hobbyist photographer who shares snaps with a small, dedicated audience. The size of your following doesn't determine your success in affiliate marketing. It's all about the quality of your engagement and the trust you build with your audience. So, now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's explore how to effectively use it on Instagram. Before you start earning, there are some key steps you need to follow. Let's talk about setting up for success in affiliate marketing on Instagram. Firstly, it's all about finding your niche. A niche is essentially your playing field, your area of expertise. It's that one thing you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Your niche could be anything from fashion to fitness, tech gadgets to travel. Having a well-defined niche not only helps you stand out from the crowd, but also makes it easier to target potential followers and affiliate programs. Next, let's talk about content. In the world of Instagram, content is king. It's your golden ticket to attract, engage, and retain followers. Your content should be visually appealing, relevant to your niche, and above all, engaging. It's not just about posting beautiful images. It's about telling a story, starting a conversation, and making your followers feel a part of your journey. Remember, the more engaging your content, the higher your chances of turning your followers into potential customers. Now, building a loyal follower base is crucial. It's not about having millions of followers. It's about having a small but dedicated community who trust and value your recommendations. Focus on building relationships with your followers. Engage with them, respond to their comments, ask for their opinions. The more you interact, the more you build trust. And speaking of trust, let's touch on authenticity. In the world of affiliate marketing, authenticity is your greatest currency. Your followers need to know that you genuinely believe in the products you're promoting. Any sign of dishonesty can quickly tarnish your reputation and affect your earning potential. Lastly, remember that success doesn't come overnight. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. Don't get disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Keep refining your strategy, keep learning, keep growing. With these in place, you're ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing on Instagram. Now, it's time to find the right affiliate program for you. Affiliate marketing is a vast field, and there are countless programs out there, each offering a different commission structure, product range, and support system. The key is to find one that aligns with your niche, your interests, and the needs of your audience. Think of your niche as your compass in the vast sea of affiliate marketing. It guides you towards the programs that make sense for your brand and your followers. For example, if your Instagram account is all about fitness and wellness, it makes sense to partner with a company that sells workout gear, health supplements, or fitness courses. Next, consider your own interests. Remember, you'll be promoting these products or services regularly. It's crucial that you choose something you genuinely like and believe in. Your authenticity shines through in your promotions, and your followers can tell if you're just trying to make a quick buck or if you genuinely believe in the product. Furthermore, consider the needs and interests of your followers. What types of products or services would benefit them? What are they likely to be interested in? Understanding your audience is key to successful affiliate marketing. Don't forget to take a look at the commission structure of the affiliate program. While it shouldn't be your only deciding factor, it's important that your efforts are adequately rewarded. Lastly, consider the support provided by the affiliate program. Do they provide marketing materials, training, or a dedicated affiliate manager? These resources can greatly ease your journey and increase your chances of success. So how do you find these affiliate programs? Start by checking out the websites of brands you like and see if they have an affiliate program. You can also use affiliate networks, which are platforms that connect brands with potential affiliates. These networks can save you time by bringing multiple affiliate programs together in one place. Remember, the right affiliate program can make all the difference. With the right program, you'll have products or services you're proud to promote, a commission structure that rewards your efforts, and a support system to help you along the way. Once you've chosen your affiliate program, it's time to start promoting. This can seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies and a bit of creativity, you can truly make your mark on Instagram. One of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products is by creating engaging posts. This could be a simple photo of the product with a description, or a more elaborate post that tells a story. The key here is to make your posts stand out from the rest. Use high-quality images, compelling captions, and don't forget to include your affiliate link. Instagram Stories offer another powerful tool for promotion. Because stories are temporary, they create a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Use this to your advantage. Share limited-time offers, behind-the-scenes sneak peeks, or special discounts for your followers. The Swipe Up feature is perfect for including your affiliate link, guiding your followers directly to the product page. And let's not forget about Instagram Lives. This feature allows you to interact with your followers in real time, making it a great platform for promoting your affiliate products. You can host a live Q&A, do a product demonstration, or simply chat about why you love the product. Not only does this help to build trust with your audience, it also gives you the opportunity to answer any questions they may have and address any potential objections. However, as you go about promoting your affiliate products, remember to be authentic. Don't promote a product just for the sake of making a sale. Make sure it's something you truly believe in and would recommend to a friend. Your followers can tell when you're being genuine and when you're not, so always strive to be transparent and honest. Also, engagement is crucial. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for your followers. Instagram is a community, and the more you engage with your audience, the more successful your promotions will be. Just remember, the key to successful promotion is authenticity and engagement. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. We kicked things off by breaking down what affiliate marketing is. It's a strategy where you promote products or services for a company, and in return, you earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Next, we talked about setting ourselves up for success. This involves building a solid Instagram base. Remember, having a sizable and engaged audience is key to getting those coveted clicks on your affiliate links. The more authentic and engaged your audience, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations. Then, we dove into the process of finding the right affiliate program. Not all programs are created equal, and it's crucial to choose one that aligns with your niche, has a good commission rate, and is reputable. Conducting thorough research and assessing your options can make a world of difference in your success. And finally, we discussed how to effectively promote affiliate products. The goal here is to seamlessly integrate these products into your content in a way that doesn't feel overly promotional. Balance is key. Incorporate these products in a way that adds value to your audience's experience, and the sales will follow. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money on Instagram with affiliate marketing. Good luck! Before we wrap up, let's remember that this is a community, and your input matters. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your fellow aspiring affiliate marketers, and don't forget to follow us for more informative content. Got a question or a comment? We'd love to hear from you. Drop it down below, and we'll do our best to respond. Your feedback not only helps us improve our content, but it also helps others in their affiliate marketing journey. Remember, knowledge is power, but sharing knowledge empowers us all. So let's keep the conversation going. Thank you for your support, and stay tuned for more.